Hello there, it's me, Natalie, and if you're an old school outie, yes, that's the name that I gave my family name on YouTube, then you guys know that I started my channel off of chilling with you, testing out really weird internet and beauty hacks. Today, I wanted to go down memory lane with you and together test out some really dumb, like really dumb beauty hacks. Gonna get crazy. I've done a few videos of these in the past and I'll leave a full playlist down below. Also, just did freckle tattoos. If you guys want to check that out, I just did a beauty busters on that. It's gonna be linked right up there or down below in the description. Give me a thumbs up if you've ever watched 5-minute crafts and been like, what the heck? What the heck? I know you have, don't lie. Give this video a thumbs up. So I was surfing the web, I was scrolling through Twitter. By the way, follow me on Twitter. Anyways, I came across a very viral post on what seemed to be, in the words of the internet, the world's dumbest beauty hack ever. This post went viral, everyone was tweeting about it. People are like, what the heck? And guess who it came from? Any guesses? Well, I'll give you 5 seconds to comment below and subscribe to the channel. Are you ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you do it? If you did, comment below, hashtag done. So if you guessed 5-minute steal, oh shoot, did I just say that?
Yeah.
I meant 5-minute crafts. What the hell did they do to you? They stole my thumbnails.
Follow them on Instagram.
I do like them. I do like them. They just steal all my content.
I don't know, anyway.
So that picture actually enlightened me and it made me think, you know what if this is what the internet is turning into, where kids just look at really dumb beauty hacks and then they're doing it in real life. And today I have my sister joining me who will be reading all of these hacks that I've actually never even seen before. I will be performing every single one. Watching to witness my pain. Here is my $1 makeup brush from e.l.f. that blends super nicely. Let's do this, sister. I want to actually, like, I'll do this, but I have to do it somewhere where it won't actually affect my daily life. I'm actually gonna cut my hair. Yes.
What the heck?
Do it for the views. Well, I'm doing this so that other kids in their world don't have to do this. Oh my god, this is so sad. Sister. Which one should I do so that it doesn't affect my life? Like, if I put my hair up, will I ever be able to put it up again here? Or will it just be sticking out? Oh my god, Hermana, what do I do?
I don't cut hair for a living.
What should I do? Wait, usually shorter layers are up top, right? Like if I were to go get my hair cut again. Hermana, help me. Let's put on extensions and then cut it. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm gonna do this. Cut Jupiter's hair instead of mine?
Yeah.
Should I leave this to the end of the video then?
Oh god, what are you doing? This reminds me of my haircut.
But then I'm not gonna do it. Oh my god.
Did you cut hair?
Okay. Okay, I'm not gonna be that dumb. I'm just gonna cut the end of my hair. Is that good enough? My mom's gonna be so mad. All right, here we have my beautiful new hairbrush. I mean, what do you guys prefer? Do you prefer this or this? Comment below. Yeah, she taped it to a pencil. I'll tape it to this. We're just gonna dip our beautiful brush. Get it in there. Nothing's coming out.
Oh god.
I mean, it looked good on her. She did cut off a lot of hair. I'm pretty sure that had to be a wig, right? They had to pay her a lot for that. This feels so like I feel weird doing this with my own hands. This feels wrong.
You're doing it.
It worked marvelously and I really liked it.
Next one is to use Jello for your eye bags.
What? Okay. Is this just pranks? Are you guys just pranking me right now? Will it help my eye bags? Is it front? Oh, look at that. 5-minute crafts. Homemade beauty recipes that work magic. All right, so you literally get, wow. You get a full Jello and you place it on your, wow. Is makeup. She put on makeup. Oh my god. Oh my god, that looks wild. This is probably gonna give me an eye infection. Do I look any prettier? She literally went like this. I mean, it kind of is soothing. But, oh my god, it removed my freckles. I feel like I got an allergic reaction. Yeah. Wow, this doubles up as eyeshadow.
If you want to radically change your appearance, print out a picture of a mole and tape it on your face.
Amazing. skin color, sister.
It'll look great.
It also has little hairs in it. What am I doing with my life? Should I cut the skin or should I cut?
I don't know. How radically different do you want to look? Wow.
You couldn't even get one without hairs. It's like a pimple. Wow, I feel so beautiful. Next hack. My eyes are glued shut. All right, guys, DIY makeup.
Put it on pressure. Natural hairbrush.
All right, I'll use my natural hairbrush. Here we go, guys. Let's see how good this picks up. Hey, it did. This is just weird. I don't like. Oh my god. You know what? This was actually not that bad. I don't think oatmeal is that bad for your face. I'm actually shook. It's really not that bad. Oh my god, it leaves your skin so good. I like this one.
If you don't have a beauty blender, you're gonna use a kitchen sponge.
Oh my god, this is so rough. Actually, I could use this side.
No.
I mean, what's this for? For like my concealer?
Yeah.
All right, we gotta conceal the bags that the Jello assisted in. All right, we gotta try both sides. So I'm gonna go in with this one. Ow. Actually, this side hurts more, surprisingly. No, they both hurt. What was my line? How much are beauty blenders?
I don't know, like $7?
No, I think they're more. Like 20 bucks. How much is this?
That was $1.
Man, yeah, it is better. Wait, did you use this?
No, it's new.
It smells like chemicals. Well, I feel beautiful. Well, you know what? I'm not gonna lie. Like, I think you can get a little blend in there. I feel like I'm getting premature wrinkles already.
Use hand sanitizer to clean your makeup brushes.
Are you kidding me? That's gonna destroy them. All right, comment below, you guys, if you have ever tried this. I feel like this would just destroy your makeup brushes.
Doesn't sound very clean.
I mean, it sounds like it's gonna dry them out. This one's real dirty. First things first, get some of that. Oh, it's actually kind of working. ASMR. This does look cleaner. And I haven't even... Guys, my head is itchy and I feel like I got an allergic reaction to something.
Take tape
Uh-huh.
and tape it underneath and then color the hole with the matching color.
Here's a shirt that I really don't care about. It also has a huge hole right here. Should we just use that as the hole? Because this would be dress code. So what am I supposed to do? Tape this on my body?
Tape under.
So my skin.
Yeah, basically.
I have chest hair. This is really gonna hurt. So I have these 3 different. Wow, my hairs are more prevalent. Any hacks that you've liked so far, sister?
Not really.
Yay. I'm guessing this is better if it's a smaller shirt.
You just look shiny. Ta-da. Now you can go to school.
What do you think about my new shirt?
Why is it all taped up?
Oh, I didn't know you'll notice.
Is there a reason?
No.
Okay. It's really gross.
Yes, it is. I feel like this would actually work better with darker clothes.
I feel like this would be a really, really, really small hole. Look like you're making a puppet.
The hack is bogus.
If you don't have pigmented eyeshadow, you're gonna use nail polish or liquid lipstick.
Okay, liquid lipstick actually works, so I've done a few hacks on this. Nail polish, I don't recommend.
I brought a nice pink one for you.
Yeah, hell no, I'm not gonna put that on my eye. That would burn. Let this be a lesson. Don't do everything that you see on the internet, especially don't put nail polish on your eye. You wanted me to do it? This is a really nice color. Look how pretty. That's really pretty. So this totally works. I've done this before. This is actually a really good hack. Plus, you know, there's always more colors in liquid lipstick, so it's like you could just get more bang for your buck. You can mix stuff together. And it blends so much easier. Like, I literally took 3 seconds. It's cute.
You look like you got a lot going on.
In my life. And my eyelids are gluing together. What do you guys think about this hat? Comment below.
Put chapstick on and then you're gonna rub an M&M up against your lips after. And it's supposed to color your lips.
Mana, you lied. This does not work. I'm gonna dip it in water, and I'm gonna go with blue.
What's wrong with your face?
You look so sick.
I do look sick. I literally did a sick makeup tutorial. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up for all my pain and suffering. If you want more videos like this, make sure you subscribe by hitting that subscribe button and by hitting that little bell so that YouTube notifies you of new videos. My social media handles are appearing right here on screen. I would love to know from you what else you would want to see me test out. And I want to give a huge shout out to this week's special shout out of the week. This week's shout out of the week goes to Scarlett Cortez. Thank you so much for loving and watching and being amazing. If you want to get a shout out in the next video, all you have to be is be the first person to retweet my videos when they go live on Twitter. I love you guys so much. I want to wish you an amazing day, and don't forget to live weird or die normal. Bye. I gotta take all this off. Oh Lord.